wanted. Create your own body. Be your own motivation.
Show me how to come alive.
Hi my beautiful and welcome to my YouTube channel. I got a lot of messages from personal trainer from Ukraine, Russia, Germany, even different countries who wants to come and work as a PT here in Dubai. They're asking me a lot of questions like how did you start? I work in a gym, or what do you do? So I'm a freelance. I don't work on any gym. I'm just taking my clients, bringing to other gyms, doing my PTs and getting 100% of the salary. So how to do it? I will tell you. There are a lot of gyms in Dubai who is allowed in personal trainer from outside. There are building gyms and there are some gyms, huge ones, biggest ones, the best ones in Dubai. They are allowed personal trainers from outside, but when you come into Dubai, you should ask directly that gym, is it allowed? What is the rules? Should I have membership here, or what I should do? So you should contact directly the gym where you want to work, which location you prefer, and to work. There are like couple gyms: HQ Fitness Gym, Binous Gym, Wearhouse Gym, Train SF Gym. It's the best gyms in Dubai who is allowed in personal trainers from outside. There are other gyms like 7 Official or some of them which has certain rules to be as a PT here in Dubai. So there are rules like you should have 5 clients at least in my gym, and then you can work, you can do your PT there. So everything depends from gym where you work. About visa, so visa you can buy it. Now I will not lie, there are a lot of companies who sell in visas. It costs approximately $2,500–3,000 per 2 years or 3 years if it's free zone visa. I have my own visa, it's 2 years visa. I'm working with the gym Yems Fitness. I work in a gym Yems Fitness, but I'm doing my PT with the clients Binous Gym, the best gym in Dubai. If you want to come, 3 things. First, check the gym where you want to work. Second, make your own visa, work on your own visa. And third, you should do your own advertising. What you need for this? You need your perfect social media. The more followers, the more followers you have, the more clients you can get. Best accounts getting best clients. The best shape of you will get best opportunity to work here. You should be in the best great shape. About months where you should come and start. It's September, October at least, because everyone during the summertime we are leaving for vacation. It's too hot here. It's almost impossible to work here. If you have more questions about how to be a freelance personal trainer here in Dubai, about prices and about everything, you can ask me in the comments or get a link from my Instagram account and DM me there. I would like to help you if you new, if you're PT and you want to work in Dubai as a personal trainer. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and now I'm gonna show you my workout with best personal trainer from France, Celine. We was telling you how it's beautiful to work as a PT personal trainer, freelance in Dubai, to have your own website, your own social media, your own client, get 100% from your work, what you really deserve, and be in the best country in the world. Dubai! Create your own body, be your own motivation. It's gonna be super loud, but anyways I will try to explain how to be a personal trainer, male personal trainer here in Dubai. Ready? So now, French girl! Now we're gonna start with legs workout. This is our program. We are combining two programs together, so today you're gonna see our legs workout. Let's go!
someone to save.
It's normal to meet two trainers and take experience from each other.
Of course, yes.
But when we are two same, be like, oh, who is warm up already.
Okay. I'll follow you after. Same time.
She just came from my gym, so I'm gonna go and watch it from my gym. So. Okay, I know already all history of Celine. She's an amazing trainer. She came from France. And she's continue online coaching through like via WhatsApp, Zoom.
Zoom, yeah. Like it seems like face to face. I can give a lot of advice for my client. But I'm in Dubai and they live in other parts like Paris or Boston, everywhere it's possible. So it's very cool.
Online work the best. Like lying down on the beach at Maldives and just do online coaching. It's the best one. My booty is your ass. This is how this girl is craziest abs what I ever see. And by the way, she has twin sister.
Yeah,
she
same.
just has same crazy
Same,
abs
same,
even
same.
without workout. I don't know girls how you do that. I swear. For example, I never do lunges normally with weight, never. Once I did in my life, before competition, like couple of days before competition, I was walking with dumbbells and I just plowed on the side.
No way.
Yeah, I gave to my trainer, my program is back to Ukraine. Just follow my program and just tell me what to do because I was overtired before. So I was just like walking and I swear, so we're gonna use big weight and less repeats. Lunges was just for warm up. So
When you train with PT, you don't need to give a lot of advice, just motivation.
Don't you think for the people the best if I back myself up you still resist? Don't you think for the people the best if I back myself up you still resist? Don't you wish I would've been someone else? I wanna fill your gap without making a mess at you. Why won't you tell me something new? Wish you all the best I can, then I stop myself for a while.
the difference between our workshops, she's just online personal trainer who has their own website, everything in French and in English language.
Yes.
So you can check this out. I will put the link there.
Thank you. It's very cool to train with another PT, like Yulia in Dubai. I'm never trained to do compete for bikini. So I changed a little bit my mind because it's not the same, you know. Me, I did for my client some exercise like CrossFit, like street workout, not just a regular lose weight or gain weight, but not for bikini. You have a lot of possibility to train and with this corona, you change your mind a little bit. You don't need a lot of gym. And so when you come back in the gym, you change a little bit your mind too. You train more.
I'm usually do workout in a gym. Personal trainer who do workout like standing next to the girls and doing my.
I wanna tell you something new. You drove us both into a wall. I drive away into the night and I contemplate for a while. Don't you think for the people drug that I just can't deny, giving me the best high. My body's shaking, shaking every time you get into my mind. Like a fire, burning wild in my heart. Take me far away in the dark. Only you.
Never late to study, never late to get experience from other coaches. Never late to get PT, perfect one, and make your shape look the best way how you want it. Create your own body, be your own motivation.
And show me how to come alive. I feel shivers down my spine. I've been waiting for a long time.
Real weight, real workout, real sweat, real. We ran from other gym because it was too crowded. So we warm up there. Now we finish already 3 exercises. We're gonna have also bridge and one leg press for sure. I wear this pants first time in the gym. It's from my new collection. I want to see how it's gonna go.
So I need to make you mine. Think I want you in my bloodline. I feel shivers down my spine. I've been waiting for a long time. So I need to make you mine. Think I want you in my bloodline. In my bloodline.
Wait, yeah, I'm starting from 41. I don't care. 41 kg, 90
I'm
years.
very free for this exercise.
You too.
Yeah, but I met some girl, she's very strong to do deadlift, to do lunges. This kind of exercise, no, she can use to do isolate exercises. So she was very bad.
She was very good. Very good.
The sun is rising, but I don't wanna stop. I can
It's
never
very
give
important how
up.
you hold your feet. So if you press it by in the middle, it's coming for full legs. It's breathing on full legs. If you press it by your heels, it comes more for the hamstring and your booty. By your toes, it comes more for the front legs. Okay, baby, I'm gonna ask you. Yes, do you like to be a personal trainer here in Dubai? And what you would like to change if you in all personal trainer experience here in Dubai?
What I want to change? Nothing.
Nothing.
No. Because you have.
Really amazing.
I used to live in Paris before. I used to travel. So in Dubai it's like everyday vacation. If you want to go to the beach, you can go to the beach. If you want to go to the pool, you can go to the pool. And it's not just quiet. If you want to have a good party in the pool, you can have good party in the pool. I know it's Corona, but you have a lot of people. You can have just some fun. And you're in Dubai, so when you want to train, it's open everywhere, every day. And look the gym, look Binous. A lot of machine I never saw before. It's full, and we are on Sunday. We are on the middle of afternoon, so it's crazy, you know. Luxe gym or low cost gym, you have everything. You want this kind of exercise, you can find this kind of coach. So no, I love Dubai.
You're Russian speaker, you have Russian coach. You
Yeah.
English speaker, English coach. French, Spanish.
Everywhere. Yeah.
So comfortable, so understandable, and there is no any better country in the world for now to stay by and now is the best country.
No drama. I can put my phone here. I can do my exercise here. You can coach your client here.
You're secure.
It's amazing.
Yeah, you don't be scared of anything here. Here is
You can have a big
country in the world. Really. Once even I lost cash and they turned me back. 300 dirhams I just lost on the street.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
after
yeah.
one Filipino lady just running after me, ma'am, you lost your money, cash, and I was like, seriously?
Never you can find it.
You cannot find it in any country in the world, like nowhere. The best is
You can speak and learn English because every people have own English, you know. It's not like in many ways, like like in other countries like Australia, every people used to speak English. Here, no, we come from
different accents and we trying to understand each other. Like by you go, we go, we go, let's go or something. Really, the last third set is 50 kg. We're gonna finish it. 3 sets of 50.
9, 10.
With this heavy weight, my buttocks feel all gone.
One.
One.
'Cause you bring out all the best in me. You're the one who holds the key, like a fire burning wild in my heart. Take me far away in the dark. Only you can show me how to come alive. I feel shivers down my spine. I've been waiting for a long time. So I need to make you mine. Think I want you in my bloodline. I feel shivers down my spine. I've been waiting for a long time. So I need to make you mine. Think I
Hyperextension gonna be the last today.
want you in my bloodline. Want you in my bloodline.
Thank you for watching. Put likes if you like this video, subscribe at my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna see you very, very, very soon in my next video of Maldives vlog and fitness tour.